Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know what the fuck this look is called, but this is what we're doing today, so I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm starting off by outlining where I'm gonna want to do the liquid latex. And I'm just using my bronzer and the Morphe E36. Whoa. This shit's making my eyes burn as fuck. Oh my god, I just hella spilled it. What a fucking pendeja. Wow. Pendeja. Now I'm going to take a box of Kleenex and I'm going to split the Kleenex in two. And then we're going to be cutting some strips. Damn, if you guys could see el puto desmadre que hice aquí. No mames. I just fucking did it again. Jesus Christ. Did I tell you guys what I'm using to apply the latex? It's these little cosmetic wedges. Because, I mean, I'm not gonna use my expensive ass beauty blenders for this shit. Ni madres. And I'm just very carefully sealing the edge of wherever the toilet paper ends. Alright, so while that dries, I'm going to start doing my eyebrow. I'm taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm dipping my Morphe M513 into creamsicle. Now I'm picking up hunts with the Morphe M518. Now I'm dipping the same brush into Jack's. Now I'm picking up hunts again with the same brush and I'm adding that in front of Jack's. I'm picking up Soda Pop with the Morphe M506. Now I'm cutting my crease with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my Morphe M170. Now I'm picking up Faint. With the Morphe M326, I'm getting creamsicle. Now we're going back into Hunts with the same brush. And again with the same brush for picking up Jacks. Now I'm adding a wing with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. Shit, I think I liked it better without the liner. Oh well. I'm cleaning it up with the Maybelline Master Concealer and an e.l.f. concealer brush. Now I'm picking up Golden Dawn from the Anastasia Glow Kit palette. So before I start my foundation, I'm just holding a fan to my face to dry the liquid latex a little bit better. I do feel like it's still a little bit sticky. So now I'm adding a little bit of the Cover FX Mattifying Primer. Now I'm going to be adding some of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in soft beige and golden beige. I'm pressing my foundation in with my medium beauty blender. This is the Maybelline Master Concealer. Now I'm setting my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. I'm slightly contouring with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. Now I'm adding some of the Anastasia Amrezy Highlighter. And I'm adding some of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush and Party. So now I'm taking my spatula and I'm going to start lifting the inside of the tissue. And I'm just stretching the edges so that it looks a little bit more tore open than cut. Now I'm going to be picking up the orange shade from my Wet n Wild Brights paint palette. With my Morphe M513, I'm picking up the orange shade from the Morphe 35B palette. With the Morphe M326, I'm picking up this brown shade from the Morphe 35C palette. I'm creating an eye socket with my Morphe R45 brush and my e.l.f. Cosmetics gel liner in black. Now I'm making a nose with the same products. Morphe 35C palette. I'm picking up the black shade. Now I'm picking up this maroon shade from my Morphe 35C palette with my Morphe M506 brush. And I'm going to be blending that into the edge of the black. Now I'm going back to my eyes and I'm curling my lashes with my MAC lash curler. Now I'm tightening my eyes with my Wet n Wild pencil liner in Baby's Got Black. I'm adding a little bit of the Urban Decay glitter in Midnight Cowboy because why the hell not? Now I'm adding some mascara to the lower lashes. I'm adding lashes and these are the EYELURE Vegas Nail Shining Star lashes. Now I'm taking some fake blood and another little cosmetic wedge. Alright, so that finally wraps up our look for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I really hope you guys give this look a try. This was my first time using liquid latex, so bear with me. It was really fun though and I love the finished product. Before you head out, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.